Hello everyone, my name is Erickson. I am a junior studying agricultural education at the University of Minnesota College of Food, Agricultural, and Natural Resource Sciences, or CFANS. Alongside being a student here, I'm originally from the Morris area FFA chapter, and in 2022 to 2023, I was a Minnesota State officer. I'm so excited to welcome all of you here to campus for the 96th Minnesota FFA State Convention. On campus, there's a lot of great things that are being offered, whether it's our campus barns, our plant growth facilities, green spaces, alongside all of our incredible faculty and staff and all of my student peers that are always a pleasure to be around. And I encourage all of you to get around campus, check everything out, and especially stop by the St. Paul Student Center at the Discover the Scientist Within event, where the different programs in CFANS will be showcased, as well as clubs and science experiments. And I hope that all of you have a fun and successful state convention and make a lot of memories over the coming days.